Gnucash, the powerful free and open-source accounting software, is a favorite among individuals and small businesses for its robust double-entry system. While it excels at tracking income and expenses, recording transactions, and generating financial reports, a common question arises for those looking to streamline their financial management. How do I create a payment facility in Gnucash? As an accounting software expert, it's crucial to clarify that Gnucash, by its very nature, is an accounting and record-keeping tool, not a payment processing platform. This means Gnucash does not have a built-in feature to send or receive actual payments directly from banks, credit card processors, or online payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or Paystack in Nigeria. Its role is to accurately record the flow of money, not to facilitate its transfer. Therefore, when we talk about creating a payment facility in Gnucash, we are referring to setting up the accounts and processes within Gnucash to effectively track and manage payments you make to vendors, employees, etc., and payments you receive from customers. It's about ensuring your Gnucash ledger accurately reflects the real-world movement of money. Let's break down how to set up Gnucash to manage your payments effectively, making it easy for anyone to understand, even those new to accounting principles. 1. Setting up your bank and cash accounts, assets. The foundation of tracking payments in Gnucash lies in properly setting up your asset accounts. These accounts represent the sources from which you make payments and where you receive payments. Bank accounts, for every bank account your business uses, e.g., Zenith Bank Current, GT Bank Savings, Access Bank USD account. You should create a corresponding asset account in Gnucash. Navigate to Accounts, New Account. Set the account type to Bank. Give it a clear account name, e.g., Assets, Current Assets. Bank, Zenith Bank Current Account. Using a hierarchical structure, like Assets, Current Assets, Bank, Account Name, is a best practice as it helps organize your chart of accounts and allows for better reporting. Choose your currency, e.g., NGN for Naira, USD for US dollar. Repeat for all your bank accounts. Cash accounts. If you deal with physical cash, e.g., petty cash drawer, create an asset, current assets, cash account. This will allow you to record cash payments made and received. 2. Setting up your income and expense accounts. These accounts are fundamental for classifying why money is flowing in and out. Income accounts, for every way your business earns money, e.g., sales revenue, service fees, consulting income, create an income account. Navigate to Accounts, New Account. Set the account type to Income. Give it a descriptive account name, e.g., Income, Service Fees, Income, Product Sales. Expense accounts, for every type of expenditure, e.g., rent, utilities, office supplies, advertising, salaries. Create an expense account. Navigate to Accounts, New Account. Set the account type to Expense. Give it a clear account name, e.g., Expenses, Office Rent, Expenses, Utilities, Electricity, Expenses, Salaries and Wages. 3. Setting up accounts for debtors and creditors. To effectively manage who owes you money and who you owe money to, you need specific accounts. Accounts receivable, /R, for payments you expect to receive. This asset account tracks money owed to you by your customers. Create an account. Assets, current assets, accounts receivable. When you issue an invoice in Gnucash using the Business menu, the amount will automatically be recorded as a debit to your accounts receivable account and a credit to your relevant income account. Accounts payable, A/P, for payments you need to make. This liability account tracks money you owe to your vendors or suppliers. Create an account. Liabilities, current liabilities, accounts payable. When you record a bill from a vendor in Gnucash, also via the Business menu, the amount will be recorded as a credit to accounts payable and a debit to an expense account. 4. Recording payments made, outflow of money. When you make a payment, you're reducing a bank or cash account and increasing an expense or reducing a liability. Paying an expense, e.g., office supplies. Go to the register of the bank account from which you paid, e.g., assets, Current assets. Bank, Zenith Bank current account. Enter the date, description, e.g., office supplies from stationery store, and the transfer account. For the transfer account, select your relevant expense account, e.g., expenses, office supplies. Enter the amount in the withdrawal column. Paying a vendor bill from accounts payable. If you've entered bills using the business menu, Gnucash has a convenient feature to pay them. Go to Business Pay Bill. Select the bills you want to pay, the payment date, and the account from which the payment is made, e.g., your bank account. Gnucash will automatically create the correct journal entry. A debit to liabilities, current liabilities, accounts payable, and a credit to your bank account. 5. Recording payments received, inflow of money. When you receive a payment, you're increasing a bank or cash account and typically reducing accounts receivable or increasing an income account. Receiving payment for an invoice from accounts receivable. If you've issued invoices using the business menu, Gnucash makes it easy to record payments. Go to Business Process Payment. Select the customer and the invoices being paid. Enter the amount received, the date, and the account into which the money was deposited, e.g., assets, current assets. Bank, Zenith Bank current account. Gnucash will automatically create the correct journal entry. A debit to your bank account and a credit to assets. Current assets. Accounts receivable. Receiving direct income, e.g., an immediate cash sale. Go to the register of the bank or cash account where the money was received. Enter the date, description, e.g., cash sale for handmade crafts, and the transfer account. For the transfer account, select your relevant income account, e.g., income, product sales. Enter the amount in the deposit column.